So you want to know how to edit an image to the exact look you want. Stick around. Hey guys! So how many times have you entered a prompt for a look in an image you want and never been able to obtain that exact look? Well, with Dzine, they have a chat editor where you can edit every detail of the image to exactly what you want it to look like. Let's get into this! So, first, click AI Tools and then click Chat Editor. Here, you will be met with an image of a cartoon character, but in the prompt, we can upload a reference image or we can create one from scratch. So, let's select our model. Let's choose GPT Image 2.0. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then we are going to choose 2K and image quality as high. Now, let's type into the prompt. A young female with long, wavy brown hair and light skin is sitting at a desk in a gaming or streaming setup. She is wearing a black top with spaghetti straps and a delicate cross necklace. She has a confident and inviting expression, with makeup that emphasizes her eyes and lips. The background features a neon sign that says, "Syncing AI" in bright pink. The room is dimly lit with purple and pink neon lighting, creating a cozy and vibrant atmosphere. She is seated in a black gaming chair with pink stitching, in front of a professional microphone mounted on a boom arm, and a high-end gaming PC with visible internal components and purple LED lighting. The overall scene exudes a modern, stylish, and energetic vibe suitable for a streaming or content creation environment. Okay, this looks awesome. So now say you want to change some of this and remove things we don't want in the image. So for instance, let's type into the prompt, remove the Twitch logo and replace with Dzine logo. Make sure the aspect ratio is the same, and then click Generate. Okay, that looks great. Now, let's change the Syncing AI logo to a baby blue and add a red rose tattoo on her arm. So let's type into the prompt, change the Syncing AI logo to a baby blue and add a red rose tattoo to her arm. Then hit Generate. Wow, okay, this looks awesome! Honestly, this chat editor feature in Dzine is flawless, and you will always get the results you ask of it. So, anyways, this was only a quick tutorial, but if you liked the video, then why not give it a try for yourself? The link is in the description below. Sign up for an account and purchase a plan. I have many more tutorials coming soon. Anyways, thanks again, guys. If you made it to the end, thank you. And hey, if you are new, then welcome. I'm Sky. I do tutorials on everything and anything AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, guys, thank you all for coming to see me. It means a lot. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.